Hello beautiful people, my name is Doris and welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your rosemary water. Very simple. Get your rosemary leaves, and the first thing that I'm gonna do, I have my dry rosemary leaves, so I'm going to wash them. After I'm done washing, I will put some fresh water and then I will let my water together with my rosemary boil for like 20 minutes, and then I will let it cool. I will strain, and then after I will apply it on my hair. So watch the video up to the end, and if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So I'm done washing, and now the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to put some water. I'll just be putting some small amount of water. I'm going to heat until it boils, and then after I will let it cool, and then I will strain, and then now after I will show you when I'm applying it on my natural hair. As you can see, the water is now ready. It has already turned, so I'm going to let it cool and then I will strain. My rosemary water is now ready. I'm going to put it in my water spray bottle, and then there's something else that I'm also going to put. I'm going to put 1 drop of peppermint essential oil. We know very well that rosemary and peppermint are well known for stimulating hair growth and also for improving the circulation of the blood. So, and also the reason why I'm putting the peppermint is because I want the water to have a sweet smell. Here I have my essential oil, peppermint. I'm going to put just 1 drop, and then I will shake very well to ensure that the water mixes very well with the essential oil. Here I have another different herbal spray. This one is the one which I've actually been using on my hair. This is a mixture, you can see actually it is very different. That's a mixture of something different. I will also do a DIY video showing what the kind of herbs that I have used in that other mixture. So my braids right now are just 2 weeks, you can imagine. And this is the herbal spray that I have been using, not the rosemary one that I have just made, but the other herbal spray. That is the one that I have been using. And guys, I'm on a challenge, 2 months challenge up to December. So far now, this is how my hair looks like. 2 weeks gone, and I'm telling you guys, my hair is growing. You can't even tell that these braids are just 2 weeks. So I can't wait until December to see the amount of growth that I will have attained. So now I'm going to put the rosemary water on my hair. I'm going to spray it on my hair and also on the scalp, and then after I will apply my oil. The kind of smell that it is giving is such a sweet smell. If you know peppermint, how peppermint smells, this water smells so sweet. So as I am applying it on my hair, you know, I can feel the sweetness of the water, of the rosemary water, together with the peppermint essential oil. After applying the spray, the rosemary spray, I'm going to massage, and then after now I'm done massaging, that's when I will apply the hair growth oil. And I also still massage my scalp again. Also, don't forget to spray your edges, spray and also remember to massage. The next step, I'm going to apply my hair growth oil. I will apply it on my scalp and also on the rest of my hair, and then I will be done with this process. And so for you, when you make your own rosemary water, you can decide to be spraying it on your hair like 4 to 3 times in a week, depending on how your hair feels. If your hair is dry, because I understand sometimes you can even spray the water today, and by the time you are waking up tomorrow, your hair already feels dry. Those are some of the challenges that you come across. I remember those are some of the challenges that I used to face. And so kindly, when you spray the water, ensure that you seal in the moisture. Don't just spray and leave it just like that. Spray and then look for some light oil to apply to seal in the moisture. So I'm done with the process. That's easy, something that you can make for yourself. You will realize that most of my time I'm always on a protective style, and I love being on mini braids. So I know that some of you would love to see the rest of my hair, you know, like without the mini braids, without any protective style, just the rest of the hair. But I just like leaving my hair like this because I'm that kind of a person. I don't want to keep manipulating my hair every now and then just because I want to do content. So for now, I'm going to keep this hair like this for 2 months until December. Then now after that, I will show you everything. I will show you now. I will slay with the rest of my hair without any style, without any protective style. So for now, bear with me. Most of the videos I will just be like this because I'm still on my hair growth journey. I'm not yet done. Yeah, so guys, thank you so much for your time. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel, kindly do subscribe. So as you can see, this is how my hair looks like. Just 2 weeks 2 weeks braids, and you can see the amount of the growth that I have, and see how my hair is moisturized. Just look at these ends, see how moisturized they have. I always love keeping this hair moisturized. Like, I always try my best to ensure that my hair stays moisturized. Thank you so much.